Hey, what's going on everybody? So today we are going to solve the one of the coolest problem, merge sorted array. So this problem is quite good. It's literally good. So how we gonna perform this problem? So it's nothing like that. It's nothing too complicated. So there are two ways which we can do. I will solve in one way. Alright. So I will just use the both way uses two pointer approach. So we are going to just use two pointer approach. If you don't know what is two pointer approach is, let me just explain you. Okay, so for example, we have this array 1 2 3 and 2 5 6. Okay, so my I and I put j over here, so they both will check is which one is smaller. If the like for example I1 is smaller, so I will put in my new array 1 over there. Okay, then I will check is 2 I will move over here. Now my I is over here, is placing over here, and my j is still over there. So it will check any which one is moved. So now they both are similar, so I can use anyone. So for example, I use this one. Okay, now my I move over here. I will check is this one is smaller. No, this one is bigger, so 2 is smaller, so I will put 2 over here. My j will move over here now. All right, similarly, like for this thing is like let me show you. So it will check for 3 and 5. So it's still like 3 is over there, 3 is smaller. So this loop, this array is n now, so this only thing left. So I will just simply put this thing over here, because they are all sorted, because as they have mentioned in the question, merge sorted array, so they are already sorted, so we don't have to worry about them. Just we have to worry about like we have to put in a sorted way, so that's what we have to worry about. All right, so how I gonna do is I will not create another array, so I will just simply do it like this. For example, we have 1 2 3 0 0 and 0. Okay, so in this my the word length is only 3, because I don't like these are empty places. Just think these are empty places. Okay, and I have another array which is 2 5 and 6. So I will now put it from the greatest to the smallest one, like that. Okay, so my I will be over here, my j will be over here, and my k will be over here. Who gonna put this one? So I will put it in this in this array. All right, so okay, so how this will gonna perform is it will check is 6 greater or 3 greater. 6 is greater, so we don't have to worry about 3. We just simply move our j to 5, and we just simply put 6 over here. So it is become now 6. So this is 6 over here. All right, guys, now we are on the 5 and I still on the 3. So we check which one is greater. 5 is greater, so I will just move my j over here, and I will put 5 over here. So I will just put 5 over here. All right, okay, now it will check is 3 greater or 2 is greater. So it will say no 3 is greater. So what I'm gonna do is I will just put my 3 over here. Okay, then now the I will move, because j2 is smaller than 3, so j don't move, the I will move. So I will come over here. Now I is now pointing on 2. So now it will check which one is smaller or sorry, which one is greater. So it's like you can use anyone, they both are same. So for example, if I use this one, okay, so this array is finished. Okay, so now I will put my value 2 over here. All right, just wait, let me do it clearly. All right, so I'll put my 2 over here. All right, now I just are remaining 1 2, so they are already smaller, so I just simply dump that value. All right, so I will create one condition for that, like if I is bigger and still available, then what to do. If j is bigger, is still available, then what to do. All right, so I will create a condition for that. So let me just erase all, and let me write the code. I hope you understand like what I want to say. Like if not, then don't worry, you just look at the code, you will get to understand. So let me get I equals to I is so num1 array is m equals to 3. I will say m minus 1, and int j equals to n minus 1. All right, and I will say int k equals to m plus n minus 1. All right, guys, so now I will create one loop while I is greater than equals to 0 and then j is greater than equals to 0. Okay, and if they like if I is get till we will run this loop till like I and j are is greater than 0, is not on the touching the boundary, right? So I will say like if nums1 of I is greater than nums2 of j, then we will just simply decrement the nums1 k and put the value of nums1 I. Else if 2 is j is greater, nums2 is greater, then we will simply say nums1 of k minus minus, because like the over here nums k 1 of k is come because we are putting in the num1 array. Alright, you even important, we are not putting in num2 array, we are putting in one array. Okay, so and I will put say like nums2 j minus minus. Okay, just give me a second. I minus minus, so it has to decrement as well. So yeah, and I will create my condition like while I greater than equals to 0. So like if I still exists, then we just gonna do the same thing like this one. Alright, and I will say like if j still exists, then I will simply just say this is j and this is nums2 minus minus. I hope this thing makes some sense to you guys. So yeah, so guys, what I did the same thing, 2-pointer approach. I use it over here. So this question quite simple, and I told you the another way to do is like if you create a different array, like for example if you create a result array where you are putting, and the result array length will be n plus m. Okay, and you are putting that smallest variable first in the result array. So you can do it like this. If you want to do that approach as well for you guys, so just do let me know in comment section. I will definitely do it for you guys. So let me just give a submit hit, and you can make this thing shorter as well. All right, so this one is performing very well. So how you can make this shorter as well, like for example if I just simply remove this one, all right, and I will just copy this one, okay, and like this. Alright guys, and let me just remove this one. So I think yeah, so if you again hit the submit, so it will do the same thing. So like I just save the space of codes over here. Alright guys, I hope this thing makes some sense. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys.